There are so many great pieces of fitness equipment out there that can allow you to improve your balance incredibly quickly. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a balance pad in your workout routine to improve your overall balance and keep you steadier on your feet in no time. I'm going to show you a quick clip of myself working with one of my clients and using a balance pad in our workout routine. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so the whole purpose of a balance pad, just generally speaking, is to provide a little bit of instability on the floor. So a balance pad is a foam pad, and as you can see in the video here, I'm having my client, my athlete, step up onto the foam pad. And then in this position, we actually just have her feet touching together. So that's kind of one way you can do it. You can bring your feet together. That'll make the base a little more narrow. I also have her with a walker out in front too. This is a great way to do this safely, and you'll simply notice once you start actually stepping up onto the balance pad, which by the way I did put links down below in the description for you to check out if you did want a balance pad or a walker. But once you start getting on that balance pad, you'll notice you'll be immediately wobbly. And again, this is just from that instability. It's essentially almost like you're mimicking walking on an uneven surface, kind of like the outdoors or some gravel or mud. And it's a really good way to test your stability. And right now we're kind of doing static drills, but you can also do dynamic drills. You could do marches on this too. Towards the end of this as well, I actually had her close her eyes while on the balance pad, of course having her hands near that walker so she could hold on to it whenever she needed it to, but closing your eyes on the balance pad is another way that you can use it. Get creative. There's so many ways. Basically, once you get on the pad, it's going to be tougher anyway. It does all the hard work. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on trying out a balance pad for yourself. Give the video a like if it provided some value for you, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we help individuals with all abilities improve their overall health and knowledge of the gym. And once you're done doing that, go ahead and check out this other video I'm going to link right here, giving you a few more great exercises to use with that balance pad once you purchased it.
Tell me you know